everyone. It is Diane Gayhart, day 4 of How to Write a Book in 5 Minutes a Day. And today I wanted to show you just a little bit about, as you know, your manuscript starts getting longer, half page by half page. It's a slow process when you write 5 minutes a day. Well, it's speed writing, so it's actually pretty fast. But yes, as my manuscript is getting longer, I'm realizing I need to use styles and headings, first and second level headings, to keep my document organized. And most people I know don't know about this. I thought I would really briefly show you how it works. Because this is how you are going to create the table of contents, and this just keeps you organized. And if you are using a publisher, they're definitely going to want you to go back and put all this information in, but it really helps me think through and organize as I'm going along. And sometimes my speed writing is just putting in first and second level headings, and sometimes you can jump around, in terms of where you want to go and how what you want to fill out. And so I just wanted to show you that in case you were not familiar with that, how to use these. Now they only have in Word to my knowledge. So I know some people like to work in Google Docs, and my experience, it may or may not work as well. So I definitely recommend Word is the one I know how to do this. So you'll see here in Word, there is something called styles. And you click on that, and I have created my own book writing styles. There are default ones. You can go in and change these just by going format and go down to style. And you can, I don't know if you're seeing this on my screen, but you can go to format, style, and you can make it whatever you want. When I write my books, I use this style. Now, obviously the publishers don't use it necessarily, but I use it to organize my own thinking. And I put my first level headers are in this, gray box, and my second level headings are have these lines. And the reason I use this and not something more subtle like in a formal APA style is because this is super clear what the outline is, and I'm crystal clear and very easy to see. I do use third and fourth level headers as well, but those are not as, as like in your face, because these this is chapter 1. So chapter 1 has these first and second level headings, and they really do help organize my thinking as I am writing. I use it for my speed writing because sometimes I'll just pick a section, I could do, I haven't even gotten this far, but if I wanted to go in here, I have wisdom. I can put something on my textbooks if I wanted to do that, and I would go ahead and add that here. God, I haven't thought about what else I'm going to say in this chapter. It's in my head, it's just not down. But one thing I will do, let's say I have a day where I don't have a lot of paragraph writing I feel like doing. Let's say I'm kind of feeling like blah. I can just go through and put in my first and second level headings. And sometimes what I also do is I will normally highlight where I left off. So the next time I come in, for my next writing session, I know exactly where to pick up. Sometimes I'll start a sentence because I ran out of, I didn't have the time to say what I wanted to say. So I'll start a sentence where I left off, so I can just come in and in 5 minutes do the next set of work. So as you can see, the manuscript is beginning to take shape. I just wanted to show you those headings because I was feeling the need to use them today, and they really do improve the quality of your writing. So hope that was a helpful tip, and good luck to you on your project.